In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple beat in BandLab from samples. First, open your browser and head to bandlab.com. Log in so your work saves to your library and you can come back to it later. Once you're in, go to the library area. This is where all your projects live, and it's the best place to stay organized as you experiment with new ideas. From your library, pick an existing project if you already have one in progress, or create a new project to start fresh. When the project opens, enter the studio. The studio is BandLab's workspace where you'll see the timeline, tracks, and all the tools you need to build a beat. Next, add a new track. This tells BandLab you want another sound source in your session. Choose the sampler. The sampler loads a grid of pads that trigger individual sounds, things like kicks, snares, claps, and percussion, so you can play parts in real time or program them on the grid. It's perfect for constructing a simple beat quickly, especially if you like working with curated sample kits. With the sampler open, look for the kit selector. This is where you browse and switch between different drum and sample kits. Each kit contains a set of sounds mapped to the pads. Take a moment to preview a few options. You'll hear different flavors, from clean electronic drums to crunchy lo-fi textures. Pick a kit that fits the vibe you're going for. You can always swap kits later if you change your mind. Now create your beat. Arm the track and start recording, then tap the pads to lay down a basic groove. Kick on the downbeats, snare on the 2s and 4s, and a steady hi-hat to lock in the pulse. If you prefer to be precise, enter notes on the grid so everything lines up perfectly with the timeline. A short loop, like 4 or 8 bars, makes it easy to build and refine patterns. Keep your dynamics in mind. Lighter hats and stronger snares add feel, and leaving small gaps creates groove. If something doesn't land the way you intended, undo and try again. You can layer additional percussion on another pass to thicken the rhythm, and most kits respond well to simple variations like opening the hat on the last beat of a bar. When it feels right, stop recording and play it back. Tweak the pattern until your beat is tight, balanced, and consistent. That's it, you've built a simple beat in BandLab from samples, ready for bass lines, melodies, and vocals.